How to turn off Cash App data sharing. So for that, even when you go into your profile and go along with the settings of privacy and data, there you won't be able to find the particular option of turning off your data sharing, right? So in order to do that, what you can do is simply go along with the process of clearing all of the cache of your application. So in order to clear all of your cache, what you will need to do is get in the settings of your phone. So simply go back and in here open your settings, then from here scroll down a bit, then tap on general. After doing that, tap on iPhone storage, and then from here keep on scrolling until you find the option of Cash App. Tap on show all in order to see all of your applications, and in here you will be able to find your Cash App. Here you can see Cash App, tap on it and then tap on offload app. Then tap on offload app one more time, and within few seconds your application will be offloaded. In order to reinstall it back, all you need to do is tap on reinstall app, and within few minutes your application will be reinstalled back on your phone. And this is how you will be able to turn off your Cash App data sharing. So in here you also need to remember that you should be doing this time and again, like once a month or twice a month, in order to stop Cash App from sharing your data. And that is it.